Hi, my name is Tom. This is the Nature's Bounty Quick Dissolve Melatonin, 3 milligrams. It's 240 tablets in this bottle, which is really nice. It's a small bottle, but it holds plenty of pills. Normally, you can hear it, so we've been using them here. The top is actually real easy to open. I kind of like that because you don't have a little top, and a screw top. It pops open and close. It's normally sealed when you get it, and there is cotton in there as well to keep things from getting damaged. So that's nice. They are 3 milligrams. 3 milligrams is a typical dose of melatonin, what they recommend, and it does dissolve. Now, for dissolving, there's a whole bunch of different things here. I'm going to show you the back just to kind of see. It's just melatonin, 3 milligrams. That's it. It does recommend dissolving it under your tongue as opposed to on your tongue. Either way, I've done it both ways. It's got a tiny bit of a sweet flavor to it. If any flavor at all, it is not unpleasant. It's fine. It's actually, it's a nice flavor. It's nothing bad. Almost like a tiny little piece of candy. And when I say tiny, I mean it. These things are really, really small. So here we go. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. I just want you to see how small that is. That is really small. It dissolves relatively quickly. Just kind of put it in your mouth and kind of let it sit there for 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and it dissolves. And that's all there is to it. So yeah, I just want to kind of show you, they do work as intended. I'm going to put this one back. There are plenty in there. I recommend them. We really like them. Great. Again, it's 240 tablets, so it's a lot of tablets, and we really recommend this brand, Nature's Bounty. We've had good luck with them, so yeah, works well.